Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a video on navigating Blackboard for the first week. So the first thing you do is go to stcc.edu, click eTools and select Blackboard, and then you'll be prompted to put in your username and password. Your username should be the first part of your email and your password should be your student ID number. Once you go in there, select word processing, CMP-121. It opens up to the announcement page, and I have a short announcement on the bottom. You can select course syllabus, and I have both the syllabus and the outline in Word document, so you can open those just by clicking on the link when it turns to a hand. This is also a link. It's to the Microsoft Office 365. It's a free download to put onto your computer so that you have access to Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint, and it's completely free. Then you also have the faculty contact information. I just have to fill that in. Mindtap Access is when you're ready to gain access to either Mindtap trainings or the ebook. You would click here. If you do that now, it's going to ask you for you to create an account profile, so I won't go in there right now. Next is My Grades, and it lists all the assignments within what you'll be doing this entire semester, and they're in order from starting with week 1. You'll have a dash until you put in an assignment. Once you submit an assignment, it'll be a yellow exclamation, meaning it's waiting for me to review. Then after I've reviewed it, it'll be a grade, and I usually always respond, and that would be a blue balloon, and you actually click the blue balloon, and it'll share my comment with you. Next, you have Cengage Links, and if you have a question with tech support, or you have a dashboard where you have more than one Cengage Unlimited textbook resource, you could click it here. There's that Microsoft Office 365. Next is the video on Mindtap registration, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see an arrow to start the video. If you click it from here, it's going to stay this size. If you want, you can go directly to the link and it'll be full screen. You have your calendar, discussion board, VDI access. What this is it's called, it stands for Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. And what it does is, in case you're working on a laptop that doesn't support, like a Chromebook that doesn't support Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, it'll take you to the campus lab computers. So this would be the VDI. It actually took me to a computer lab on the STIC campus. Just be careful, you have 2 windows, so you'd want to use the upper window, which is to show programs. And if you scroll down, you have all of access to Word, PowerPoint, Access, Excel, anything that's available on the STIC website, computers is available here to you. It's a wonderful feature. Just when you're finished, make sure you click the little profile in the corner and make sure you end session. Make sure you do that before you when you're finished working with the computer. So this is an excellent feature. That's VDI access. Enable pop-ups. There's some directions there for you. Sometimes when you're trying to open up a new website, it might be blocked and you get a red bar up at the top saying it's been blocked. These are the directions of how to enable the website so that you can gain access to it. So the next thing is your Zoom meeting links. So these are the meetings that will be happening all semester, and if you just click it, it takes you right to that meeting. And these are open meetings. They're office hours, so if you had any question about anything, you could just pop in at any time. They're not required. They're just for you for a resource to have a question. You can come in and hopefully be able to help you out. So the next thing are Stc Resources. These are all the resources available on campus. You just click the link and it takes you right to it. And then you have STCC Digital Resources for students if you need any questions or help there. And then we'll start with Welcome Week 1. And it has, of course, this is going to fill as we go into week 2, week 3, but we're just focused on week 1 and what the assignments will be for the week. And this is just a direction. When you see the little videos that I'm showing you directions how to do something, it usually stays in this size. This looks like the button to click to choose open full screen, but it doesn't work. Actually click the word YouTube and it'll open full screen. This is a Word document that gives you directions on how to upload an assignment. Here's your very first assignment. Week 1, capture a screenshot. I usually tell you how long the video is, and again, you would click this to start. Once it starts, you would click the words YouTube so that it's full screen. So the assignment, instead of a written directions, I give it to you in a video. So you'll watch the video, it's just under 2 minutes, and then you'll complete exactly what I just did in the video. And once you have it saved, you would click this capture a screenshot. Notice it changes to a link with the hand pointing. You would click that. Is this to submit it? It tells you when it's due, how many points it's worth. There's the link that you went to. And if you scroll down, this is the assignment submission. You would go to Browse My Computer, find the assignment, and then if you'd like to share a comment with me, you can, and then click Submit. So that's your first assignment. And then next, split screen assignment. Again, it's just a little over 2 minutes. Watch the video and then do the same thing and submit it to me. This is an email etiquette assignment. It has a PowerPoint for you to view and then some instructions. And then again, you'll submit that. It's submitted as an email. This is a Google Search Tools. Again, it has a PowerPoint and a Google Search assignment sheet, which is a Word document. And there'll be, I think, 3 questions based on that PowerPoint that you'll answer and submit. So you don't give me the PowerPoint, just the assignment. And the last one is a video that you watch, and you'll open up this assignment sheet. And again, it's 2 or 3 questions based on that video, and you'll answer it and submit it to me. So that's what you'll do for week 1, and it's due by the 30th, Saturday. And also don't forget your discussion board for the week. Go ahead and choose week 1 and then create a thread and your discussion board. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I hope you have a good first week. Thank you.